at Wimbledon, they sell these debentures, so sort of VIP tickets in the main courts, and they're going for thousands of, I mean, like we're talking over £100,000, just so like $150,000 for like you guaranteed seats for 5 years. But before that even kicks in, you can even attend. These tickets are trading for something like double that. So
Wow.
these guys are investing and making a load of money. But even if you actually keep them and just sell those tickets on the day, you can make thousands more per day. So like it's a pretty good play for investors as well. It's really interesting.
I mean, this is an event that everyone always has their eyes on. And as we're looking at these prices, super expensive. Is this usually the type of pricing power that they've had in the past, or is this year a bit unique?
They've got a lot of pricing power, but it's really increased over the last 5-6 years, I'd say. People thought maybe after Federer, Nadal, Djokovic, retiring, Djokovic is still going, of course, that era of players, great players disappearing, that might mean that there's demand fading, but not at all, actually. I think there's more mobility. People are traveling internationally more, especially the demand from the US fans is incredible. I mean, they'll really pay the big bucks to go to Wimbledon and say they've been there and attended the matches on centre court, and they're willing to fork out thousands of dollars per ticket. So the demand's been really strong, and the uptick in value has been incredible. We're seeing, these sort of 5-year periods increasing something like 70% in value each time, and then those tickets are being traded on, another 70% on top of that. So it's pretty incredible.
Jamie, John Tucker here from Bloomberg News was reporting that the heat wave over there in Europe. Talk to us about London and Wimbledon, and how hot is it for you guys? Because you guys aren't really used to this stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty hot here right now. I mean, actually, today's a little bit cooler than it has been. We had a little bit of rain this morning for the first time in a while, but it's been really hot, and that's kind of perfect for Wimbledon. People want to go over there and spend the day in the sun. You get uninterrupted play. I mean, the two main courts have retractable roofs over them, which was actually these are the things that the debentures pay for, so there's sort of investment in construction and expansion and so on. So they always get now sort of uninterrupted play, but it means that all the outside courts, there are like another 20 or 30 or so. Yep. It means that people that queue up for overnight as well. You have these queues around. It's a very British tradition of queuing. Happens in the courts, right, in the park opposite. So people camp overnight, and a lot of Americans do that as well because they just want a taste of the action. It's incredibly popular, even more so than it was when I was growing up. And people used to queue from 7 in the morning, but now it's like, if you don't get there, in the early hours in the dark, right, you haven't got much of a chance.